Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this simple swirl nail design, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting off with a base coat. Next, I'm applying this nude color, but you could really apply any base color. Now to start the swirls, I'm using white. And I'm also using this tiny detail brush. Honestly, this part's really self-explanatory. I just kind of did random swirls everywhere and just kind of changed them around as I continued the design to see where I liked them. For some reason, this part kept coming out of focus, so I apologize for that. Once I finished off with the swirls, I just added a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video and comment down below any suggestions you have for designs you want to see me do in the future. Bye!